What is molecule? Molecule is any species or any substance which is formed by combination of two or more atoms of same element or different element. I will repeat. Molecule is a substance or a species which is formed by the combination of chemical combination of two or more same atoms or different atoms. We will see example. For example, diamond is a molecule. We can say diamond is a very big molecule. Same carbon, only carbon, 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 right? Charcoal is a molecule. So it consists of only carbon. We can say graphite is the molecule. Up for our understanding, okay? Graphite, charcoal, there are certain ideas, certain restrictions. We will take one more example, simple example. We do respiration and we take oxygen. It is an oxygen gas, not oxygen. It is oxygen gas. How it is formed? Oxygen gas is the O2. How many oxygen? Two oxygen. It is a molecule. How it is formed? It is formed by combination of one oxygen with another oxygen. It is formed by. So oxygen gas. What we do? We do respiration of what? We take oxygen and what comes out from our body? It is carbon dioxide. So how it is formed? Carbon plus oxygen. This is carbon. So this is molecule, this is molecule, and this is also, but carbon is not the molecule. It is a single. It is therefore it is atom. Right? Very simple. Methane gas, cooking gas, molecule. Okay, water H2O. H2O. How it is formed? By combination of H2 plus O2. So how many H? 2H. It is a molecule. Always remember, whenever we have a two or more than two atoms, it is what? The molecule. So yes, this is a molecule, this is a molecule, this is a molecule, this is a molecule, this is a molecule. These are not molecule. This is a molecule, this is not molecule. Right? So like this, we have a simple idea. Glucose molecule, fructose molecule. Almost all drugs we use from the medical that we use, all the types of, in fact, all the type of food is a what? Is a composition of molecules, right? So you got this idea, right? There are crores of types of molecules, and our aim is only to understand what is the meaning of molecular mass. So this H2 is the molecule. If we know the mass of H2 called the molecular mass, but what is the molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the constituent present in that molecule in a unified mass unit. See, very simple. If, let us say example, I want to know what is the molecular mass of H2. Question is, what is molecular mass of H2? What is the molecular mass of H2? So very simple. What is the molecular mass? So molecular mass is sum of atomic mass of each atom in molecule. So see here, how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogens. So what is the mass of one hydrogen? Atomic mass. Sum of atomic mass. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. So I can write mass of hydrogen is 1. And how many H? 2. So into 2 is equal to 2. We can use also this also. 1 plus 1, no problem. 1 plus 1, that is also. We'll go for next example. Let us go and find out the molecular mass of CO2. How we can find out this? How we can get it? See, very simple. So let us go for molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Now, how many atoms are there? 3 atoms, right? Carbon plus oxygen plus oxygen, right? What is the atomic mass of carbon? We know 12. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. What is this? 16. Do the sum, and it is simple. And you can see, instead of writing this one, you can, how we can make this one 2 into 16. That is also right. Next one. What about CH4? Methane. What is the molecular mass of methane? Very simple. Carbon plus 4 hydrogen. What is the mass of atom? This unit. Small u, don't forget. Carbon 12u plus 4 into, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. 1 is equal to very simple. So yes, there is a question. Page number 8. On the basis of this molecular mass. Problem is, there is a problem. And what is the problem? Problem is, find the mass. Find the mass of one molecule of problem is, find the mass of one molecule of oxygen. Whenever we have a what molecule of oxygen means O2. So I can write O2. In AMU, or in bracket we can write U, or in bracket we can write DA, capital D, small a, Dalton. Find the mass of one molecule of oxygen in AMU and in gram. That's all. They have not given any data. So we should have here in our brain. Go for this. See, solution. Okay, right. So there is no data, yes, but it's very simple. Very simple. Now see. First of all, let us find out its mass of molecule means molecular mass. Mass of molecule means it's also mass of molecule means molecular mass. So now see, molecular mass of oxygen is equal to how many oxygen? 2. 2 into what is the atomic mass of carbon? Oxygen 16. 32. So molecular mass of one oxygen molecule or one oxygen gas is 32U. Is 32U, right? Yes. Next one. A is asking also convert this into gram. How we can convert this? We know 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 056 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This is standard. What we have to do? Multiply this. So therefore 16 into 1.6656 into minus 24 gram is equal to 53. Sorry, it was 32. Sorry, 53.1379 into 10 to the power minus 24. So this is a way we can calculate the molecular mass of any compound. We can calculate molecular mass of any